Sesame.
Mura-mura magkagikaw itong kasayaw kanina dito.
Ito sa kanang...
What?
Okay.
A dancer.
No video.
It's picture. Nahulat ko si Imo para mag-picture na ko.
Who sing the song?
Uy, sing the song.
Isa na yung video dia eh. Ayun sila yung
Play song daw niya, Ken.
Mother.
And you will sing, right?
You don't.
Uy, wala yung video. Uy, kamo bitaw. Ay mo video.
Picture ba na?
Ano man?
Ano video sa sunod?
Sige na, si Elmo girl. Sa bas Bastos kay Carl. Bastos kay mo sa kung falling song. Bestseller ba siya? Hoy, bestseller ba siya sa mga children ang flying o falling?
Track 5.
Sige na ba?
Go, track 5.
Mother. Sige na ba?
You go.
Hayo you go, hayo.
Wait, you want music?
No, open arms ako.
Open arms. So now I come to you. Sige na. With open arms. I don't know the other lyrics.
Nothing to hide, believe what I say.
Nothing to
Hide, but believe what I say. And
That's your dance.
so here I am. Earl. Again, Earl. Mother.
Sabi na ako po.
that your love. So now I come to you with open arms. Nothing to hide, believe what I say. So here I am with open arms. So you see what your love means to me. Open arms.
Open arms or open legs?
Mother knows best. Go.
5, 6, 7, start.
It's true.
Nothing like me and you.
I'm not alone. Tell me, can you feel it too? I will run away. And I will
Hanggang-
run away. Yeah. I will run away. I will run away with you. Yes.
Falling in love. Biscuit, Earl. Stop falling in love with you.
gonna start falling in love with you.
Mother knows best.
Mother knows best.
Mother knows best. Listen to your mother.
It's a scary world out there. Mother knows best.
Listen to your mom. See.
I swear.
Mama, I never
Stop the drama, stay with mama. Mother knows best. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Perfect Mother's Day.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
To you,
Sige na, Ern. Happy birthday!
to you.
Grr.
Interpret happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Tak, tak, tak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Applause. Applause. Hoy, tunod, bitaw na. Ano ba yung nasa glee? Ana ilang applause.
Very good. Earn, makamalas sa lugar ka nga imong mga sila nila kaway.
Ah,